All right, y'all. Me and Mawmaw went down to Kerr Lake. Stayed with Tim King's grandpa, Robert, at his property and his cottage. And one of the days we was down there, Tim took me and Mawmaw out on his pontoon boat. Y'all check out Tim King's guide service if you're ever down on Kerr Reservoir. I'll leave the number, his phone number posted. So Mawmaw getting on the pontoon. So we're going to get out here and see if we can get on one or two. So Mawmaw don't get to go out much because it's kind of hard to get her on my boat. But I'm going to get her out more. It was a great day on the water. Mawmaw had a good time. And stand by, check it out. And let's see what we do.
Keep a rod in the water. Could not keep a rod in the water.
She's cold.
I'm good.
Hey, that's a monster bait. That's a donkey bait.
We're gonna find it today.
And the sun is coming up over Kerr Lake. Bugs Island to you locals. So we plan on doing for a dragging or anchoring?
We're gonna anchor up first thing.
All right.
Yep. Yep, we're gonna anchor up first thing. Then we'll drag some baits.
I tell you, we couldn't keep the rods in the water that day.
See, the day we were calling out 30 pounders, I think we could keep 3 rods in the water. As fast as I can get them in, he was wearing them out. We had 4 fish in the boat, trying to figure out which one was bigger. And then we come up here and you couldn't fish with no more than 4 rods. When that bait got past the back of the motor, it was gone. That was on his 72nd birthday. Yeah.
What time of year was that?
I want to say like May.
Yeah, sometime in May.
Okay.
I watched that rod go in the water. I said, well, darn.
Oh, goodness.
All right, check this out, y'all. Mawmaw is in the driver's seat. There we go, looking cute up there with her hoodie on and her Muddy River Catfish hat and her Muddy River Catfish hoodie. Look at that, wait a minute. Muddy River, baby. So watching them rods. That orange one took a little bump when he first threw it out there, but no takers. So, the wait is on.
That's right.
All right, y'all. Had audio issues with one of my cameras, but here we go. First blood. Takedown number one. There it is. There it is. Come on, Tim. Here we go.
Oh my goodness gracious.
You
All
hold
right, lean up
her.
on that seat. All right, put your hand
On
up
my
here.
belly, right?
There you go.
Take that glove off.
She's good.
All right.
All right, turn the handle. Yep.
All right, Mawmaw
There you
on
go.
one.
Oh my gosh, look at
You're real,
that.
real.
Reel. You gotta
Don't ever
reel.
stop
Oh,
reeling, all right?
Don't ever.
Mike, can you grab that net for me real
Yeah.
quick?
Just
Yeah, I'll get the net.
point that.
There you go, just hold it right there. Just keep on reeling. Keep on reeling.
Keep
Don't
reeling.
stop.
Okay,
Don't stop reeling until I tell you to.
okay.
There you go. I'll switch back with you.
All right.
Papa, look.
I see, baby.
Just keep reeling.
Oh
Yep,
my
keep on
goodness
faster,
gracious.
faster, faster, faster. He's coming to the boat.
Fast.
That's
Hey.
good. Keep on going. He's coming to the boat. All right. He's right here. There he is.
Hold
All
it.
right.
yeah.
Scoop him. Scoop him.
Look at you. Get him, Papa.
Grandpa got him.
Get him, Papa.
All right.
Hey, look.
All right. Now drop your rod tip. Hold on, Robert. Drop your rod tip.
Stay where you at. Honey.
That's a big head.
Stay there.
I'm gonna come a whole lot of it up the boat. Sit down quick.
I thought you said look at the ducks.
I did. I did.
Okay.
Real.
Put your hand up,
Oh,
hon.
goodness.
Put your other. There you go.
You little fighter.
me go over
you.
here.
Come on.
Hold it now. Hold
Okay.
it.
Okay.
That's probably a big fish.
Okay.
Try and keep it where y'all can see.
Okay. I'm not doing very good sitting and doing this. Okay, that's much better.
There you go. There you go, honey.
Oh, yes.
There you go, honey.
Oh my gosh, Papa, look.
I see him. I see him out there.
Come here. Oh. Oh, goodness gracious alive. Oh, goodness gracious.
Hold it.
All right. Wait, let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it.
Okay,
Let go. Let go.
honey. Okay.
All right, now take it back. I'm trying to keep him at the back of the boat.
Okay.
There you go. Hold your rod tip over there. You got it.
Oh, goodness gracious. He's a
Go a
rascal.
little bit more, honey.
He's a rascal. He's a rascal, all right.
You got it.
Okay.
All right, old man's gonna scoop him.
Okay.
Scoop him.
There we go.
Woo-hoo!
Hold on.
Yeah.
I got it.
All right.
Yep.
Look at that. Oh, he's the biggest.
Yeah, he's a big one.
Yes, I've ever landed a fish on the seat before.
Robert said it was going to be a 30-pounder.
He's gotten close to it.
He's nice. We'll weigh him. See, you look, Tim. I've been watching your videos, brother. Look, I've been watching your videos.
Yeah, I saw that. I said he's been paying attention.
Yes, sir.
That's what
I got hold of it.
Then I saw that rod bending.
Man, I thought that rod was gone. I didn't lock the holder down when I repositioned it. I thought it was gone.
You said look at the ducks. I was looking for ducks.
I did.
I never saw the duck. Saw the
It was two little ducks flying.
Oh. Lord of mercy, girl, you doing something now.
Look at that one. Look how long he is.
What's that? Is that a Oh, okay, it's nothing.
All right, let's get a quick weight on them just for the record, for Mawmaw's record. Let's see if will this fit in the hole.
Yeah.
All right,
We're gonna make it fit.
let me see here real quick. All right. So that's 18 and a half.
Right. Yeah.
All right, camera.
More than 18 pounds.
I
Something's
put
wrong.
one over there at your jacket. Follow the chain up your
Papa, he's more than 18 pounds.
I hear you, baby.
No, he really is.
Well, let's.
Is it?
We can go off his scale. Let's check his scale. Let's see how close they are.
That's about right.
Look, 18 exactly.
Boom.
All righty. Okay. It's not going to be a fisherman's
see.
tail. It's really
He's
18 pounds.
pooping everywhere. I don't know if you want to rinse him off or.
Well,
He's excited. Just
The other railing's lower over there. There you go. He's rinsing him off.
Oh,
He's spewing.
got him?
you got to help.
Alright. Here goes Mawmaw's biggest fish for the day so far.
So long, buddy.
See ya, buddy. Thank you, sir.
There we go.
High five, hon. Here you go.
I know.
Slimy. That's a slimy fish.
All right, so we moved down the lake a little bit, and we're doing some dragging here. This camera's still having audio issues, so you're going to have to listen to me jack my jaw. So Mawmaw's getting up in the driver's seat, and let's see what we can do.
that's good footage.
The guy got in the water the other day.
No, that pulls her in the water.
Oh, no. Yeah, I'll have to get wet.
Hey,
I'm going in
that's
after.
good footage too.
I know.
Like a rock, right?
Underwater, I can swim.
Uh-oh. He's on.
Look, he's good.
He's on. Fish on.
Keep on reeling. Don't worry about nothing. I gotta unclip that. Now take your rod tip straight up. Alright.
Keep winding, hon. Wind that thing. Wind.
I don't think he's on.
Keep going.
Reeling.
Keep going.
Don't worry about. Alright. Yeah.
Come on. That's all right. Good try.
Once we pick it up, we don't care about stopping it. You bring it on to the boat.
Oh.
Oh, he was dragged.
Oh. Be careful, honey.
Alright, here we go. Got it. You're a big fish. You just keep cranking. Keep cranking. Don't stop.
Did he get out?
I don't know.
He's fishing with us.
Alright, hold on.
Stop.
He's still there.
Oh,
Oh, I think he just popped off.
oh
He
no.
just popped. No, he's still there. Reel,
honey, real.
Oh, God.
Here, you hold on. Look, Mike, if that rod pulls, that's a strong fish.
I got it.
He's strong, honey.
Hold on the top of that
Oh,
rock,
my
Mike.
gosh.
There you go.
Yeah.
Hold on to it, Mike.
Come on now.
Oh, there he is. Look at him come up. Look at him come up.
Don't pump it.
Don't pump it.
You're fine.
What's that mean?
You're good. You're good.
Fine.
You're doing fine.
Strong.
Oh my
look.
goodness! Look at that thing.
Look. Oh my gosh.
Come on here, girl.
Oh, wee. Robert, you
Look at
caught
that
it,
thing.
Robert.
Look at that
You caught
thing.
it.
I told you.
Yep.
Get him up here.
Come on.
Let me get that. She's got it. I'm in trouble now. Point that this way. You got it right there? Hold it right there. All right, don't take his head out the water.
Okay.
There you go.
Hold what you got.
Pull this way right here.
Oh my gosh.
Get him.
It's stuck on something. Ain't nothing you can do. All right.
All right, let's hold what we got. I got the rod.
Oh my gosh. That's more than 30 pounds, Robert. Oh Lord.
That's a fat one right there.
Oh boy.
Look at that. Look at the mess you got there. See, if I'd have reeled that rod in, he might have been swimming the whole time actually.
You might have been.
All right.
We got.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get you to move on this one.
Okay.
Come on, honey.
I almost fell on this soft cushion with that other fish.
Oh,
Yep, just take your
boy.
time. Take your time.
Okay.
Here, grab the table. Come on around, baby.
That's right. You told me I was going to get one.
Thank you. You set it up there. It don't matter. All right.
Oh, that fish is so
That is a
big we had
fat-
to pull the chair up. Oh my goodness.
Here.
What do you think, Tim? How much?
That's a good 30 pounds.
At least.
Yeah.
Don't you fall over
Grippers. Grippers.
Not yet.
All right.
Yeah, they
Trying to
go
figure
for
out.
2 foot long.
that. Yeah. Now don't you get all excited and fall backwards.
Now I'm holding on good. I think he was been nibbling on that thing, just waiting to get.
He was following that bait. Like Timmy said, if he'd have pulled,
Yeah.
you better check your britches.
My pulse is all up and down this arm here.
All right, so we gotta check the pictures this time with Grandpa before you put your phone back.
Oh Lord, look at that.
Let me
I'm
rinse it
gonna
off.
get slimed with that one, huh?
Yep, we'll probably sit
Yeah, we're gonna get a little slime on us this time, baby.
Oh, I almost knocked your camera off.
Mercy.
Let me rinse it off.
I told him.
Man, thank you for grabbing that. Watch that camera. Thank you for grabbing that. You want to stop that loop?
Yeah, I will. I'll get it.
All right.
I'll get it right here in a second.
If you didn't grab that net, it's kind of like
Yeah,
stuck. Like
I
the
was- it
swivel
was
was
getting-
like the swivel was hung on the end of the.
Yeah, it was getting. It was getting a little desperate there.
All right, big guy.
I told him to come play with us and we'd let him go. So he did. That's my big catfish today, guys.
There you go.
Let me lay her up here for a second till you get over here.
Just don't let the spine go in the seat. Oh, there, you hold him right there. It's fine.
All right.
Let me get by you. Let her get back here.
We need to move this seat. All right, there you go. See, my phone should be laying right over there on the.
I moved when I moved it to, so that
I got it. I got it.
Oh.
Okay.
Now I want to give a side that one, so I told her it was going to catch a 30 pound.
Hey, look right here. Look at the camera. Sorry, I didn't think so.
I'm getting slimy.
All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. All right. Yep, go hop in it.
Grandpa,
Come on, Grandpa. This is the one Grandpa told us we were going to get.
All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's see if I can.
Yep. Get us a selfie.
All right, guys. 1, 2, 3. All right.
All right.
Good fish. Let me grab your scale real quick.
Hand me the towel. Where's that towel?
We ain't need towel yet. We ain't done with the fish.
Here.
Gotta weigh.
32 pounds.
I think we got about 28.
Whoa.
36.
It's had a.
Okay, get him.
36.
I don't know.
Yeah, spin on through.
Probably not.
2246.
See, I don't think it was a good. Do it again.
Yeah.
Because I think this needs to be down there in the hook.
Ready?
See, it puts it at an angle.
Yeah, it was the same weight.
There you
Oh,
go.
there we go.
Try that.
Let go. All right.
You're not holding
Yeah,
it.
same
Same.
weight.
Okay.
You're
I
not
didn't.
holding it up
46.
there long enough.
26. 26.
26.
26 pounds.
All right, we got close.
You want her to
Is it
sit
still
back?
running?
Look.
Look up here, babe. Smile. Patting it like a baby.
All right.
Oh, look at him. He's
Look up here, baby.
comfortable with me. Look.
Move.
Look, he's breathing real short. It's slow.
Oh, yeah, we need to get him back in the water.
You want to get releasing them?
Yeah.
All right.
Let me come around here.
I got slime.
All right, guys.
Yep, I got slime.
See you, big boy. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, my friend.
All right. Hey, leave him on that seat for me.
Where he ran.
Good. I heard that line cut in the water. Keep reeling.
Oh.
Nope, don't ever stop. Those fish will come straight to the boat. Put your rod tip up a little bit.
There he is. There he is.
Here's a pretty one.
Oh, yeah. He's going. Oh, yeah.
All right, I got the rod.
He spit his food out right here.
What a pig. All right, honey.
That's number 5,
High
right?
five, baby.
Is that 5?
Yeah, that's 3.
Actually, we caught 3 the first hour, right?
All right. You want to sit in the chair?
Might as well get another weight
Oh, that's
on.
right.
What the heck?
Yes, I
Let's see.
Yes, I'm keeping weight.
Let's see.
We're gonna wallow it out.
Wait a minute.
Oh.
All right, let him down.
So 67
That's 10 pounds.
plus
10 pounds.
67, 77. 77 pounds so far.
Yeah, it's 10 pounds even. 10 pounds even, honey.
Woohoo!
He's in the mud, Jimmy.
77 pounds,
All
Papa.
right, you got him.
Yes.
Let me get your picture.
Now you gotta kiss one of them.
Oh no.
Here, bring him up. Bring him up this way just a little bit. There you go. Put your hand
He's
under
gonna
his belly.
poo-poo on me.
That's okay. Let him poo-poo on you. It's okay.
Hug him like your grandchild.
Look. This is the coolest thing I ever seen.
Wow. Wait a minute.
And they're soft and
Yeah, they're soft. ain't they?
slimy.
They're soft and slimy.
Oh, I know.
Is that possible to be soft and slimy?
All right, that's good.
All right.
I mean, we're just catching them.
All right, bud.
Hang on, let me come around.
All right.
Let me get this.
See you later, dude. Thank you, sir.
Check it out. This is a slime shop. Look at that. Mawmaw got the Muddy River hoodie.
5 fish,
Slime shop.
76 pounds.
There you go.
Awesome, awesome, awesome.
Heck yeah. Awesome.
Thank you, Tim. Thank you, Robert.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Pawpaw. Just kidding.
Oh, I loved it.
Bait for me.
All right.